Hello guys, welcome to the DevOps training, and today we are going to discuss how we can merge the branches in Git. In last tutorial we have already seen what are the meaning of branches in the Git, how we can create the branches, how we can check out the branches, and what is the difference between the different branches, and what is the application of the branches in Git. Today we are going to discuss and we are going to see how we can merge the different branches. So guys, very first we need to open our project on which we are working. Okay, over here I need to open the git bash. Okay, so by default git bash is being opened on the develop, but before this I want to discuss some important points, why the merging is important. Okay, so as we know, the master branch code is like a production like code, then and on the develop and on the team branch we have the code which we are working and which we are testing continuously, so that we can merge it with the master. So guys, obviously if we are doing something in organization from a project point of view, then definitely it will add a value in my project. Okay, and we are checking out that particular code to our branch. Okay, but actually this is not just my responsibility to push that code on my branch. Okay, always time to time, guys, please remember, always time to time it's required to sync your branch with the master branch, so that the code changes which are you doing will be available on the product itself. Okay, so we will check out to the master branch, git checkout master, and we will see the number of files. So only 3 files are available in the master. Okay, we will go to our project on which we are working. Okay, is this okay? Open the GitHub. Okay, this is the project on which we are working. We have added, I remember we have added few more files. Why the files are not here? Okay, just go one thing. Okay, just remove it and go to git bash and say git checkout develop. Right, go to your project, open your project now. So you can see, as you are switching your branches, you can see right now in the GitHub I am on the develop branch and I am getting these number of files available over here: the sample text 1, sample text 2, sample text 3. As soon as I switch to develop, switch to master, check out master, so you can see number of file is being changed inside my project. It means these files are present on my master branch and these number of files are present on my develop branch, right? But these changes we just have committed inside my local repository. These changes are not being promoted to my centralized repository. So I will create new files. I will create one more file over here. Okay, and name it test copy 4. Right? Go to the git bash. Currently I'm working on the develop. So git status. Okay, one file is still we need to work. I will put git add dot git commit and -m for the message adding file in develop. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to push the changes. So just git push. So you can see fatal error, current branch develop has no upstream branches. Okay, now I need to provide the complete changes. I need to provide the complete command git push origin master develop. It means I want to push my changes on this particular branch, the develop branch. So just wait guys, it will take few seconds. So changes are being done and it is saying completed one local object. Now I will open my git bash. So you can see, I will refresh it. Here I have a branch, master branch, but it is saying less than a minute ago develop is being created. So if I will click over here, so you can see right now I'm able to find out two branches, the master and develop. I will switch to develop. So the number of files are being changed. You can see here, this is the files which we have on the develop branch, and these are the files which we have on the master branch. But guys, you remember in last tutorial we have created another branch which is called SEC branch, and that particular branch is not available over here. Why? Because we didn't push any changes. We just created that inside our local Git repository, but we didn't push any changes through that branch on the centralized repository. Once you will push the centralized repository with that particular branch, you will list their particular branch over here as well. Okay, so right now I have two branches, the master and the develop. So as we was discussing, the master have less number of files because this is my mainstream project, and in the develop we have more files because these are some testing files as well, right? So this is the way how you can create the branches and how you can switch between the branches, right? Now we need to merge the code. Now my task is, okay, I have tested my code and the code which is available on the master is completely fine and working expected. Now I have three new features which are present inside these three files, and I need to move that features to the master branch. Okay, so guys, how can we do that? Simply we need to put the command git merge. Okay, here's a catch. First, you need to check out the branch on particular branch you want to merge, right? So we will go to the branch git checkout master because we want to merge the changes on master. So we want to check out the target branch. Okay, we want to merge the changes from develop to master. So first we need to check out the target branch. So we need to check out the target branch. Now I am in the master branch. Now I run the command git merge and enter the branch name which you want to merge. Okay, the source name. So my source branch is develop, my target branch is master. It means merge the develop with master. Just press the enter. So it is saying first forwarded sample text. This is being inserted, right? What does it mean? Earlier in the last tutorial we have discussed in the picture like pointers. So now master pointer is also being attached with these three files. So now if you will refresh your GitHub and in the master, then you will get these files over here. Just wait guys. Why the master is not being updated? I have merged the branch, my develop branch with my master, but it is not being, I need to push the changes guys. So git push origin master. Why I'm not able to get these changes over there? Because I just merged that develop branch with the master in my local git repository. I didn't push the changes, so I need to push the changes. So you can see after this push you will be able to get this particular file in the master as well. So just wait. I hope this will not throw any error. Okay, it is basically pushing master to master. See, on the master the new files are being added over here, right? And you can see these files are being added 5 hours ago, 19 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 19 minutes ago. It means the pointer, just the pointer is being changed. File was already pushed on my GitHub server 19 minutes ago. Just the pointer is being changed. Now my develop and my master are being synced. They are just showing the same kind of code. But the another branch which I have, using the git branches branch, you can find out the branch. The SEC branch is still pointing the content which was available inside the master branch. These three files. Let's see. So git check out the branch. Switch the branch. Now I'm SEC branch and git push origin SEC branch. Why I'm doing this? Because I want to sync my local git repository with my centralized repository. So after this pull, you will able to get this particular branch on that particular centralized repository as well. So just refresh it. So you can see now I have the 3 branches, SEC branch as well. And inside the SEC branch, the code is still not updated because I didn't sync the develop with the SEC. I just sync the develop with the master. So if the SEC branch want to check out the changes, if SEC branch want to check out the changes, then he need to pull the changes from the master branch, right? So say I am basically working on the SEC, but I want to check git pull and say origin master. Just press enter. Okay, so these 3 files are being added inside the SEC as well. Okay, but this is inside my local. If I will go to your project directory, right now I'm in SEC and I will refresh it, so you can see all these files are being presented over here. So I have pulled the latest code from the server. Although I'm in the SEC branch, I have pulled the latest code. If I want to add that code particular on my centralized repository, I need to push the changes. Origin SEC. So after this command, this will first I will pull the changes from the master branch to my SEC branch. Now I am making the branches, pulling the changes on the SEC branch. So you can see you would be able to get the changes over here as well. Just refresh it and you will find out the changes in the SEC as well, because I got the code from the master, okay, and pull the same code on the SEC. So using this way you can sync your branches. So I have shown you all the ways how you can do and deal with the branches. Okay, in coming tutorial we will see something which is called rebase. Okay guys, so thanks for the day. That's all for the day.